been staring at the edge of the water long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I could be the perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, each trail I track, every move I make, every road leads back to a place I know where I cannot go, where I want to be. Feel the heart inside the sea, it calls me. No one knows where it goes. The winds myself, the sea stays behind me. They all know it will go, it's just my life. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by design. I know everybody on this island has a role in this island, so maybe I can hold in mind. Right, and the strong, satisfied that I pray alone with you inside.